Today, we're going to jump into the design case study for Mandala Aesthetics, which is a med spa located in St. Charles, Illinois. When the client first came to us, they had just like a Squarespace site that they put together on their own, which was a great start, but they were really looking to take their design and their brand to the next level. There was also just some missing information on the UI, UX side that we had to fill in. So basically, we came in and rebranded everything, listened to who the client was going after. They had an established brand already as well, too. So we wanted to make sure that we kept that in place. You can see here's the homepage design. I'm going to show you some other pages as well too. Let me bring in the Figma file here. We do all our design in Figma, which is a great program for professional design. Now, some of this is obviously changed on the live site because there's videos and things like that. But in general, what we really needed is a strong call to action up here to book an appointment, which was something that was missing. But we also wanted to integrate icons as well as the look and feel of the site, because the client's theme is mandala, and then these are actual mandalas. As you can see, these like circular feel. So we went with a circular type feel on the site, but also wanted to have a very clean color palette, very easy to read. So our layout here is our hero image, logo in the center because it's circular, wouldn't really work over the left side. Navigation menu, easy way to email, easy way to call to action here, call to action to learn more information about the client. All the copy was written as well too. And then the client has about 4 key services. So we wanted to list those services right on the homepage, a little bit of information about them, as well as ways to book or schedule a consultation. Here's some reviews that we wanted to bring in, and then her Instagram feed, and then obviously a footer. This was the main page that we redid. And then once that look and feel was established with that circular feel, with the mandalas, with the color palette, with the type of imageries, we then applied that to the subpages. So here's a look at an individual service page. That's a breakdown of the aesthetic services and the different types that they're offering, the neuromodulators, hyaluronic acid, PRP, talking a little bit about our mobile services, and obviously the footer and the header stay similar with the layout. Here's just another one of the service pages that we get into, who the processes are for, how does our actual process work. But again, you can see that we're still using that circular feel, a little bit of the conditions that are treated by PRP, and then a call to action at the bottom. Here's just another service page here as well. Let's get into one other thing. Back to live site for that one. Putting together a consultation page with an embedded form is really important for her as well too. And then a contact page, really easy. Call, find, send an email, and send a message. So the whole page is using the same branding that we use throughout. And so far, the client's been really happy with the results. I'm going to leave a little testimonial here from her as well too, that you can see in the comments. If you guys are looking for any type of design that you need help with, if it's just designing a website, developing a website, more than happy to help. A lot of our process starts with understanding what the client needs, going through some questions on a kickoff call, then putting together an actual brand book, which shows the color palette we're looking to use, any type of icons, any type of UI elements, how we're going to use the photos. And once that's approved, we then move into the design phase where we start using wireframing and Figma to start laying out the actual homepage. Once the homepage looks great, then from there we can use that look and feel from the homepage to design subpages. And at that point, once approved, it goes into development. That's just real quickly how our process works. We'd be more than happy to work with anyone that needs help. Thanks.